Hello everyone, I'm Yoshi. I'm from Japan and I'm in Japan now. So, what I want to do is to introduce you to Japan. Because Japan has lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes. For example, ramen, sushi, sukiyaki, tempura, gyoza, gyudon, wow. Lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes in here. So, I know you know that, and I know you want to enjoy them. So, I hope you watch it before you come to Japan, and you can enjoy your trip in Japan more. So, let me show you now. Enjoy! Hi! Today, I go to Gasto again! Yeah! Wow! Hi, Gast! Wow! Gasto is one of the best popular restaurant. Alright, of course, they have touch panel menu and in English. No problem. Don't worry about it. Alright, how many people? Alright. I'm one person. Start. Alright. They have what's that? They have a lot of menu, many kind of menu. Oh, this is a karaage. Karaage is a chicken, fried chicken, like fried chicken. Very popular in Japan. Yeah, alright, they have a lot of what's that? Japanese karaage, chicken fried chicken. Wow, look like delicious. Wow. And wow, sukiyaki and udon. Wow, what's that? Fried cheese and hamburger. Oh my god. They have a lots of juicy food, juicy dishes. Wow, this is the kind of chicken and steak. Oh my, beef steak. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, alright. This is Japanese. Alright, what's that? Chicken or natto? Is this natto? Alright, and wow, what's that? Is it rolls or something? Sukiyaki and spicy kimchi hot pot. Alright, seafood, sashimi rice. Oh my god, this is noodle. Stir food noodle. Wow, a lot of Japanese. Wow, these are Japanese. Yeah. Oh, this is Karayoshi. Karayoshi means a brand name of gas for fried chicken. Yeah, this is very famous and very good. Alright, today I take a karaage set meal. Yeah, alright. They ask some questions. Rice or set menu. How about set menu? I don't need it. So I don't need it. I want to eat just karaage. Yeah, just karaage, fried chicken. Alright. Please confirm or don't tap part of the button. Okay. Price. This is very cheap. Very nice. Thank you guys. Alright, order completed. And I can drink water only. Oh my god. Alright, no problem. I need just only water. Yeah. Alright. Oh, this is drink bowl. Yeah. They have a lot of many kind of juices. Yeah, but I have to drink water because I didn't order drink. Yeah. Alright, table tour. They have chopsticks and spoons and forks, knife, and this is a soy sauce, of course, in Japan. Yeah. Very simple. This is called for waiter. Yeah. Oh, here come they are. They come. They are here. Wow, look at that. Wow, this what's that? This sauce or something? Rice and kimchi and pickled something and miso soup. Wow, this is very nice set meal. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This karaage. Alright, first I sprinkle this sauce on the cabbage. I think this is correct. I hope. Yeah, alright. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Alright. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Oh, wow. I need rice. Come on. I need rice. Oh my god. Wow, it's a yummy. The word only yummy. Yeah. Alright, I eat cabbage. Alright. Yeah, very fit this sauce. Ah, nice. Alright, I do everything. Alright, miso soup and fried karaage and rice. Wow. Nowadays, Japan, very popular karaage. Yeah, karaage is fried like kind of fried chicken. Yeah, very popular nowadays. So many restaurants have a karaage. Yeah, alright. I almost eat everything. Alright, come on, karaage and rice. Wow, and cabbage. Cabbage is very important for your health. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Oh my god, miso soup is also very good for your health. Alright, I eat everything I eat. Wow. Thank you guys. They are perfect. You are incredible. How was that? Do you like it? I think it is very nice. Try it. Alright. If you like it, please leave thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.